Hello and welcome to everyone. In the previous video, we learned how to install and configure the environment for React. In this video, let's create a very first React application. First of all, create the folder for your project. At my end, I have already created the folder named React. Open the folder in your terminal and run the command as shown on your screen. So let's write the command for creating the application folder: npx create -react -app. After that, specify the name of application which you want to have. For our case, let's have a hello application. With this command, you will be able to create a basic application where all the required files are downloaded. This downloading process will take time and it depends on your internet speed. Don't worry and have patience till the process is completed. Once the download process is complete, success message is displayed on your screen. The next step is to run the project. For running the project, open the Visual Studio Code, open the folder which we have created. For running the command, to open the website, go to Terminal, New Terminal. Specify the command for running the web application, npm start. Click enter. It will open the web application in the web browser on your system. This is the default React application. Now let's go back to Visual Studio Code and try to edit the default HTML. Under source folder, find the app.js. Let's remove the default HTML and write the simple code hello. Save your changes. Go back to browser and you will see the changes done in the web application are displayed on the web browser. This is all about updating and running the simple React application. In the next video, we will learn how to create different components and their usage. Thank you.